Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to use UpBase for community garden management. This is your full guide for 2025, so let's get started. First up, you'll want to set up your garden profile. By logging into your UpBase account, you can create a profile for your community garden. This process is straightforward and it involves providing basic information about your garden, such as its name, location, and types of plants. The reason we do this is to provide a clear identity for your garden and to allow UpBase to tailor its features to your garden's specific needs. Now that we've done that, you can start adding members to your garden. This step involves sending invites to your community members through their email addresses. This helps us because it builds a network of garden members who can contribute to the garden's maintenance and growth. Remember, community gardening is all about team effort and collaboration. Next up, let's allocate garden plots. UpBase allows you to map out your garden's layout and assign plots to different members. By doing this, each member knows exactly where their plot is and what they're responsible for. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. As you assign plots, UpBase is keeping track of who is responsible for what, making management easier for you. Now, you'll want to schedule garden tasks. From watering to weeding, UpBase allows you to create and assign tasks to members. This step is important because it ensures that the garden's maintenance needs are met regularly and efficiently. Let me explain why this matters. By scheduling tasks, you ensure that no plant goes unattended and the garden thrives. Lastly, you're going to want to make use of the reporting feature. UpBase allows you to track the progress of tasks, monitor the health of your plants, and even record harvest yields. The reason we do this is to keep a close watch on your garden's productivity and health, so you can make informed decisions on what works best for your community garden. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively use UpBase for your community garden management. Remember, UpBase is a tool designed to make your gardening experience easier and more collaborative. Now, get out there and let's see those gardens bloom. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.